Hey guys, it's Rhonda. In this video, we're going to talk about taking a single design and turning it into multiple designs. If you are a member of my private community, you know that every day I give you a prompt for an image. And along with that prompt, I give you several different ideas on ways you can use that design for different products. I give you ideas for ways you can change it up. You know, I tell you why this should be a good seller and things like that. Okay. So today I am going to take our morning prompt, our mind your business. I'm eating snacks for two that features a cute goose. And we're going to take this and turn this into multiple products inside of Kittl. That way we can take this one design and scale it out for several different designs. Okay. And we're going to do that a couple different ways. Now I'm going to look through here and I'm going to grab the image I like best. And I think I like this one right here. I like the way she's sitting, you know. So I'm going to grab that image and I just copied it and I'm going to paste it right in here in Kittl. And so there we go. There is our design. And I'm just going to make it fit the artboard. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to think about how I want to change this. So I'm going to come over here to the left to the chat box. Okay. I'm going to make this a little smaller. We don't need it that wide. And I'm going to ask the chat to give me a list of 5 popular and trendy animals. Give me a list of 5 popular and trendy animals for t-shirt designs. Okay. And we're going to see what the chat gives us. Sloth, llama, panda, foxes, alpacas. Now I do know sloths are popular, but I am leaning more towards, I know frogs are really popular right now. Obviously the geese, raccoons are crazy popular right now too. So I think I'm going to take the sloths and probably the fox. I'm not sure. We'll see where we go. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a smart board here. And I'm just going to tell it to change the goose to a sloth. That's it. We're going to keep everything else the same and just change the animal. Although, now that I'm thinking about it, give me a list of 5 popular pregnancy craving foods. All right, so maybe we will change the animal and the food. So, okay, so we have pickles, ice cream, chocolate, potato chips, and fruit. All right, let's, so we could do, you know, one that's just all pickles instead of a variety of snacks. We could do one that's, you know, mind your business. I'm eating ice cream for 2. I'm eating chocolate for 2. I'm eating chips for 2. So we could do this in a variety of different ways. There are just so many different products we could get out of this one design. It's absolutely craziness. I forgot to even check and see which model I had this set on. I believe it was Nano Banana. Alrighty, so here is our sloth eating snacks for 2, which is super, super cute. I love that. All right, so let's do this again. Let's create another, let's move that. Let's create another smart board. And in this one, let's change the goose to a raccoon. Okay. I know they're popular. I feel like while these are popular, I feel like they're not the current trendy animals. It's a raccoon and we'll let that do its thing. And there is the seriously pregnant raccoon. How cute is that? Very, very pregnant raccoon. All right. So we've gotten the sloth, we got the raccoon, we got the goose. What else? What else? What in the world? There we go. Something just wasn't clicking right. All right. So let's do one more. Let's go with maybe change the goose to I like the sloth, I like the raccoon, I like the goose. Let's do a capybara. They're popular right now. Okay, so we have that, and then we'll have 4 different animals, which I think is pretty good. And then I'm going to show you how we can give each animal different snacks then. So you know, there's just so many different directions we can go with this. And you could change the color of the bandana so they're not all wearing the same bandana. let's see what we get from our copy. Move this over here. And then I think I'm gonna create a smart board based off of the last smart board. You know, we want this. And for this one, let's say change all the snacks to a bunch of different ice cream. All right, so we're going to give the sloth, instead of all these snacks, we're going to give it a ton of ice cream. And I should have changed the text in this too. I forgot, but it's okay. We can do that, you know, afterwards. And for the raccoon here, let's say change the snacks to a bunch of chocolate, change the words from snacks to chocolate. Okay, we'll see if we can get both of that in one. We'll see. Okay, here now, look, our sloth is surrounded by different ice creams. So we could either create another artboard and tell it to change it, or, you know, we could flatten this and we could erase this text and add our own. You know, we could add more, which I might go that direction. Okay, and down here's our cappy. Super cute, super cute. So let's do this one. Change the snacks to a bunch of different pickles. Change the word snacks to pickles. All right, and we'll go there. Pickles is always a very popular pregnancy craving. And then we did chocolate here. And, you know, you could do different foods. I am going to just change this, change the word snacks to ice cream. What did it fail to generate? I don't know what it failed here. Oh, well, let's see. Let's wait for these two to get done before we go generating more. See if we even need any more. Just have a look and see what we've got going on here. So we'll give this a second. Okay, there's the, me and Kittl's Zoom. Let me tell you, we have a love-hate relationship. Seriously. Okay, so here is our, I'm eating ice cream for two. That looks great. I love that. Love it. Now, if I want to use this for a t-shirt, I'd like to have a little bit more white space around the edges here. If I was using this as like a tumbler wrap or something like that, that would be fine. You just have to decide what you're going to use yours for. This one is great. I'm eating pickles for two. Love it. And again, like I said, you could also, this is the one that failed to create. So let's do change the snacks to a bunch of different potato chip. Change the word snacks to chips. All right, and let's go from there. And again, if you wanted to change out like bandana color, you know, headband color, you could absolutely do that. It's another way you could change these up. But I am just loving that, you know, we have the pickles, we have the snacks, we have the ice cream, and you could do the sloth eating ice cream, the sloth eating chocolate, the sloth eating pickles. So, I mean, there is just, I mean, a crazy amount of variations that you could make with this single design. All right. So I just wanted to show you, you know, I try to, you know, when I give the daily prompt, I try to make sure I give you some ideas on how you can change it up and make it your own. In this case, here we go. We've got pregnant cow with cravings, pregnant cat or dog mom, swap the snacks for seasonal treats, you know, mind your Christmas business, I'm snacking for two, mind your Easter business, I'm snacking for two, you know, and then you could turn it into, you know, a holiday pregnancy announcement, something like that. But I just wanted to show you how quickly you can take a single design and turn it into multiple variations for different, you know, we did different snacks, we did different animals. So don't just look at the prompts I give you in the community. Don't just look at them and think you have to use them that way, because you don't. In fact, I encourage you to change them up and make them your own. All right. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll answer as soon as I can. As always, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it more than you know. If you could take a minute to like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And you don't miss out on any new videos. So I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.